What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shop Days. This is just gonna be a quick little video. Got one little thing I'm just gonna install after work here, and it is an NRG quick release 2.0 to fit our wheel and our hub. What it's gonna do is perfectly measured it. It's perfectly gonna space the wheel for our driving position. Here, let me just move the seat back. So all the way back, the seat sits just right so that my arm is a little bit overextended. So what the quick release is gonna do is pull that out and make my steering wheel able to come off and on, a little bit of an anti-theft. And the horn button will fit properly and won't be spaced with duct tape. So we're gonna quickly jump into this. I've only got like an hour before I gotta go to bed, get up for work. We grab a couple tools, and we're gonna install this quick release. So I'm gonna open it up, show you what it is, we'll go from there. All right. So this is the NRG 2.0. There's other versions of it, and you can buy these little paddles to make it easier to take on and off. I didn't do that, I want to keep it clean. Probably, looking back, should have bought an NRG wheel. I do like the Sparkle one, but NRG, they're a little bit bigger, and they got a little bit more variety, so I don't know. Having like a little bit of buyer's remorse, but I do love that Sparkle wheel. It's just, I could have done better. So, here's the unit. Okay, so yeah, this side is where your steering wheel bolts onto, and this is what adapts to the hub. And this, pull it off, comes off just like that. This is what your steering wheel is mounted to, and that's your hub. It's got the wiring for the horn as well, which actually does work once we get all hooked up. So I'm going to pull out the hardware, and then we are gonna get this installed. And we are gonna have a sick, quick releasing steering wheel. That sits perfectly for my driving style. I'm pretty stoked. So NRG supplies you with shims and hardware to mount to your hub, even a little Allen key for the bolts. So just put this in there, pull the other steering wheel off. I got Allen keys for that. I'll pull the steering wheel off, and then we'll mount that up to the hub. Start with that. These guys. Now, if you're doing this on another car, you can go on NRG.com, and usually they have the right application for the hub adapter. They'll have it listed on the website. You can call them, email them. If you're local here, Garage 5 Performance in Richmond, that's where I got my hub adapter. Pretty knowledgeable guys, they knew that. They didn't have a GC8 adapter, but an O2 WRX fits the spline. So if you're wondering what I'm meaning by adapter, it's this guy here. This is a steering wheel hub adapter for an aftermarket wheel. You basically take your stock unit off, so the canceller for the signal unfortunately gets deleted, and the airbag, whatever, we die like real men. But that's what I mean when I'm saying hub adapter. So first thing we're gonna do is just unbolt these Allen heads here, pull the steering wheel off. So let's do that. You guys hear that alarm going off in the background? It's really weird. Hopefully I got it straight. I think I got it straight. Well, those connections are wrong. Let's see if the horn works. I'll get it backwards. It's just a switch, so let's see. Look at that. Horn works. Pop this bad boy on, take the tape off that I left on there because I had to make it fit before. And this is gonna be the crowning moment. The most annoying thing was this horn button never fit in properly. Now, oh baby, look at that. Hell yeah. I'm stoked. Okay, let's test the fit. Oh my god, it's perfect. That is just perfect. Okay, before this sat like on my knee, and I've made it perfect so that the seat like position and everything. You know that meme of that guy with like the bald head and he's just like touching his face because everything's perfect? That's me right now. This is amazing. I'm happy, guy. That was yeah, that was worth the 250 bucks. All right, guys, that is basically all there is to it for putting on a quick release. I'm going to take it off. Then if you want to take it off, where's the button? There we go. Okay. And then there you go. You got like a little nice anti-theft system. Not too bad, right? Okay. Back on it goes. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this quick little episode. How to put in a quick release with an NRG system. It's their quick release 2.0, 250 bucks Canadian. The hub adapter I think is about 150 bucks. The wheel was about 300, around 500 for all this. You can go cheaper if you want to, but that's my setup. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in the shop. Have a good night. This was fun.